So, what is silken soy puree? Is it pureed tofu? Pureed silken tofu? Pureed soybeans. Silken soy puree is a non-dairy, creamy, low-fat, cholesterol-free, trans-fat-free, kosher, verified gluten-free, verified non-GMO, preservative-free, aseptic packaged, shelf-stable, vegan, and versatile, cost-effective, and smooth soy mixture alternative designed for food service and industrial customers with an amazingly clean and rich flavor. Made from carefully selected U.S. soybeans, silken soy puree starts as soy milk and is double homogenized to produce a smooth and creamy texture and a low soy aftertaste that blends and handles easily, making it highly suitable for a wide variety of dishes from sweet to savory. Silken soy puree has a remarkably low soy aftertaste compared to other soy products, like soy milk, due to a process that reduces compounds responsible for those disagreeable flavors. This is just one of the many reasons why silken soy puree has been a preferred ingredient that has played a leading role in today's fast-growing plant-based movement since its introduction in 2005. Silken soy puree ships in 2 package sizes, 450 and 2,250 pounds, and is shelf-stable up to 9 months. And its uses are only limited by your creativity. From cold to hot, smooth to hearty, savory to sweet, silken soy puree's versatility will surprise you and delight your customers. And will also be a welcome addition to your bottom line. Thank you for watching our video about Mori-Nu Silken Soy Puree. Visit silkensoypuree.com for more information or email cs3@morinu.com.